Hello everyone. So this is Alteryx day 9 and we are going to explore the data cleansing tool. So last session we have seen like how to use the sorting and filtering and select tool, input output tool, so those things. And here we are going to look how to use data cleaning tool to clean the data in in the workflow, right? So when we are receiving any data, so there is, I have created one sample project here. So where I am using a lot of components, but I'm not going to explain this. I'll just show you like what all the things it is doing. So basically it is cleaning the data and then selecting, then some of them are other components, which is basically like a formula and all, which we have not seen as of now, but it is kind of a small project which is doing lot of data cleaning and then filtering the data and then running total and then first five rows and all. So if we run this workflow, we can see the whole data like the output in each and every section here, right? So if you see like almost 50,000 of records here, it is displaying. And then on top of it, like here, we are using some union and all. So anyways, let's go to the data cleaning tool. So what is data cleaning tool? First, we have to understand like what exactly this tool does. So this tool will help you in terms of like removing the null rows, removing the null columns, or if there is like a specific field you would like to, or replacing, or some of the unwanted characters, like you don't want white space, duplicate, or tabs, or anything like if you want to modify the uppercase or lowercase. So this is the objective of the data cleansing. So if there is a macro is also created and there is an example also. So if you see here, there is a data, we can copy this entire data as well, like copy this entire data and let's go to our example and let's insert the data, right? So text input. So let's manually bring this and paste the. So let's copy everything and let's go to our workflow. Let's paste the field one. Okay. So field one is customer ID basically. So you can put customer ID here and first name. So let's copy. We cannot copy the entire table in one shot. So that's not an issue. So this is make it first name. This will be last name. And we can delete this. So you can select here and click rows. So it will get deleted, right? If you want to insert row, so you can insert row as well. So let's make Kiran Kumar, and this should be like tenure, I think. So we can just give it a down. So here we are using just a very basic example, like fixing what is the use of this. So this will help you to replace. We can run and check the output, right? So after using the data cleansing, what exactly it is doing. So it is cleaning some of the record, and we see here like the score removed null and replaced the zero with numeric fields and then some of the unwanted character. Here it is replacing the null rows. Here it is replacing the unwanted characters. So you can like it is not like just one we can use in this, but yes, we can use like remove null rows remove null columns, or if I want to, like, for example, let's bring one more data cleaning tool here, and let's connect this to here, this one. And here I just want modify case to lowercase letters. And also I would like to see the output of all this. So for output, we are going to use this browser. So we can run and we can check like what exactly this output is looking. So here you see we have used here like remove null rows or remove null column, all the by default properties. So it is giving us it is removing the nulls and all, and then it is providing us the output. Here you see the same record. So here what we are doing here, we are not doing anything. We are just modifying the case lowercase, or let's make it uppercase and run it. So let's see how it looks like. So this will look like this. So it will just convert this uppercase. So data cleaning is a tool where basically you want to clean or replace any duplicates, or you want to change anything like number. Okay, remove unwanted characters, like for example, tabs, line breaks. Let's select everything and let's run this. So we can see the output, how it looks like. So here there is nothing related to all these things like replacing, or we can select any specific column as well, right? So if I'm removing it, and we can come here, so we can see like the first name and the last name, which is like we have selected remove null or blank. So remove all these things. So in the output, you see there is everything is coming blank, right? And here we are not doing anything. So data cleaning, it's a very good tool which we are using. This is here you can see like what exactly I'm doing. If it is remove null, then in this project, this is kind of a mini solution, I would say, or workflow, very small workflow, which is doing kind of a removing the nulls or rows from this column, right? And then again, like there is a select where I need all these columns, and these are other components which we'll be looking, because we have not gone through like how to write formulas and all. So those things we'll be looking into. So data cleansing is a very good tool, like where to use, like replacing when you have like replace nulls or numeric columns, or fixing common problems in text columns, right? And unwanted characters, like if there is some characters are there manually after Benjamin, you find there is a hyphen or slash or any special characters is there. So we can use this tool to clean the data and to present in a very good way. So if I want something like, let's say, input data, I will bring it here and I select a connection, and let's say there is some sample data is there which we are using. Let's click OK. Here we don't see anything like um, which has to be done, but let's connect this one, and let's this is what I have used in the project. So let's unselect weekly sales and replace. So here what I'm doing here, if you see here, so weekly sales is holiday, replace null or blanks, right? So I am not going to just, I'll remove all these things and just get the output here. So let's bring the output and let's connect this to this view, right? And let's run this. So let's see what exactly it is doing. So here you see there are 5,000 records were there, and here also after cleaning, it didn't find anything. So it is giving me 5,000 records only. But if I want to, like, for example, there is a department, right? And I want to modify the case to uppercase or lowercase. So let's see whether it is working for us or not. So if you see, that got converted. So if you are changing, like making any changes, for example, here we modify one small case, right? So here we converted uh, the first character from capital to small. So after changing it, this is the final output, how it looks like. So this is a really great tool which can be helpful in terms of like making the changes or doing some basics transformation or cleaning the data while creating a workflow or working with a workflow. So that is about data cleansing tool. So thank you very much for watching this and stay tuned. Like, subscribe, and comment. And let me know if there is any specific topic you would like to learn, and if you have any query, share your feedback as well, like how exactly you would like to see or projects related to Alteryx or solution. Thank you.